Hi guys, welcome back to day 9 of Mr. Raphael's Sketching and Drawing Challenge. Today we are going to be doing a 2-point perspective cube with a wood render on it, building on our sort of simple drawing and sketching skills. So we will just go on and get on with this challenge. So guys, hopefully you're getting used to some of the more simple tasks, i.e. drawing 2-point perspective cubes and things. So no ruler today. I'm just going to go straight in, go for a horizon line, 2 vanishing points. I'm going to start, want to see quite a lot of the top of this cube, so I'm going to start quite far down the page, quite far below my horizon line. Sketching a vertical line, project the top and the bottom of that line to my right and left vanishing points. Try and get a straight line. Deciding on the depth of my, I'm trying to go for a cube today, try and get the right proportions. There we go. So got a cube. I'm just going to put in some more of those lines so you can see them a bit better. So today's challenge is to do a wood render. So we would just start off a wood render the same way we would start off a normal render. Today I've got 3, because I'm going to go for a wood render, I've got 3 sort of shades of brown. Useful if you've got some colouring pencils. If not, you can try this with pencil anyway, and just press a bit harder for your different tones and things. But I'm going to go ahead and try and make this look almost like a piece of pine. So I'm going to start off with the base colour of yellow. And again, I'm going to go for sort of 3 shades. So I think I'm going to make this side my light side, this side my dark side, and that side my medium side. So I'm just going to go ahead and start adding in that shade for the dark side. Trying to go for a uniform flat colour to begin with. This was going to be my light side, so this was going to be my medium side. This was going to be my light side. Just going to add a bit more shade to my dark side. So I've got my 3 tones, a sort of light, a medium and a darker. So I want to start making this look like wood. So to begin with, what I'm trying to go for is sort of the wood grain effect. I suppose you can see it on this table slightly. You've got sort of wavy lines that work their way through. So that's what I'm trying to add to this side here. It's quite a good example here. So you've got sort of darker lines with sort of lighter lines in between. So I'm going to put the darker lines on to begin with. Too sharp a pencil. And there's no sort of right or wrong about this, but just trying to make them slightly wavy. There'd be no straight lines in a piece of wood grain. So I might have sort of eyes as well that might come up. As these wood grain lines continue up the side, once they reach this edge, you can bounce them across towards this vanishing point. Again, it's not going to be a straight line, it's going to be a kind of wavy line. So I'm trying to aim them towards my vanishing point up there. Put an eye in again. And on this side, where these lines come up and meet this edge, I'm just going to project them across again. I'm going to make them kind of wavy. So once I've put in my sort of darker lines, I'm going to go back over some of those darker lines with my medium, sort of medium brown. So I've got 3 browns here. I've used the lightest for the sort of background colour, the darkest for my sort of wood grain lines. Then I'm going to sort of blend some of those wood grain lines in. Again, you can sort of develop your own technique for this, whatever you think looks good. Really just trying to suggest that this is made out of wood, useful for graphic communication, design, manufacture, particularly when you're trying to talk about use of material. I'm just going to do the same again on all my sides, I would see. And then I think for a final touch, I'm just going to go back over my darkest brown and just add a bit of depth to these back corners. So again on this one. Yes, there we have it. So that was today's challenge, to do a 2-point perspective cube with a wood render. Good luck everybody. I would love to see what you've been up to, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Cheerio.